Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody is doing well. So, you saw me unboxing something from my intro right here. It's this bad boy right here. Smoked full LED chipset. Third brake light for my boy Bruce right there. Guys, I must say, I got this from eBay. It's not expensive, like I think it was like 35 bucks. But I must say, from eBay, one of the most nicely packaged items I have ever received. Not gonna lie. All you're gonna need, well, let's scratch that. In the box, obviously you have your smoked LED third brake light. Obviously right here, because it's full LED, you have your resistor right here to break down the current. This right here is some weather stripping to put behind this, because if you just put this on just like that, you'll end up having leaks in your roof. All you need to take this stuff off is a Phillips head screwdriver, and they give you these little washers right here, these little plastic washers for your screws, which I already have washers in there. Now I will throw it up top. I did a video where I was replacing bulbs in the Hulk right here, and I end up, some of them, they actually worked for the third brake light. So right now, it's actually very, very, very bright. Let me see if I can make it work. Yep, it's pretty damn bright. Even the, even the license plate lights. They're very, very bright. Trust me, even in the daytime you can see that. So this is gonna have a whole different look to it. Full LED chipset, can't wait. So let's go. All right guys, simple enough. See this right here? This is the plug attachment. You press right here, press, detach. Very simple. These are the bulbs that are in here. They're very, very, very good bulbs, man. Very, very bright. So I'm definitely gonna save this just in case something was to happen. Also, my brother just picked up a 17 Ram as well. So we're gonna be definitely doing projects on that. And also, this is the gasket right here, the weather stripping. This is the stripping right here to prevent any types of leaks. Okay, definitely make sure, if you're getting this, I'm going to put it in the description, make sure it comes with a weather stripping. Otherwise you're going to have to buy your own, which is very, very cheap, and you just can install it on there. It's not hard. All right guys, make sure you clean down all the surfaces. Once clean, we could just start the install. Very simple. Just plug and play. This is a very, very simple install. One of the probably the easiest install ever. Okay, so plug this bad boy in, just like so. It's super easy. There's a little recess right here. Definitely take your resistor, feed it in there. Let's feed everything like so. That's it. Now you just run your screws in there. Guys, do not use power tools. Okay, don't use power tools. Alrighty guys, super simple. Just beware, I'm gonna tell you, the stripping, the weather stripping, just like this one here, it's very, very thick on this one. Like, this one has a lot of years, so it's soft. You know what I'm saying? This one is very, very, very firm, so there's a little bit of a space, but everything is pretty much sealed around the edge, especially when you tighten down these two screws. It's super, super sealed. And what you can do also, take some extra weather stripping. You could put it right up here in this space right here, just for a little more added protection, but you'll be fine. So this is a quick test of it right here. I'm gonna click the open button. It's pretty damn bright, especially for just 4 LED dots. Let me hit the brake real quick. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you, this is the space up here, but if you notice, it's all that thick stripping on the inside. There's like there is no play whatsoever. So you're pretty much covered. So I'm not too worried about it at all. What I'm gonna do is, I have extra weather stripping. I'm just gonna lace in here with it, just for some added protection, but I'm pretty sure I don't need to. And that's really it. All right guys, after I put the weather stripping on, that's how neat it looks. So I put my own stripping on. That's all the way to the top. It's all neat on the sides, neat on the bottom. You know how I do it. And that's it. Little extra added protection. Definitely like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. And I'll hook you guys up with some night shots. Catch you later. All right fam, as promised, this is how it looks at night. Be prepared. Damn, that shit is bright. Let me turn that off. Hit the brake. Let go. Again. Good.